Hello दोस्तों. So let's see how to install Terraform on your Windows 10 machine. So I think you can see on my screen Terraform. You have to just go to an URL which is terraform.io and click on the download CLI page. So you will be redirected to downloads page. Okay. Now you have to choose on which operating system you want to download this Terraform application. So for example, I have a Windows 10 on my machine and which is having a 64 bit. How to check? So go to on your machine and type, for example, let me go to the folder. Here on this PC you can check which bit machine you have. So it's a 64 bit machine. Okay, so now let's go to the installation page. So click on the 64 bit and then you will see you will download the one zip file on your machine in a download folder, which is Terraform 0.14.9 Windows AMD 64. Once it is done, what you have to do, you have to just extract this zip file, extract this zip file on your C drive. C drive, where C drive? C drive will have a most of the writes. Just like an example, you have admin rights on your machine because it's your local machine. Go here and create a one folder which name is Terraform and extract that file here in the Terraform folder. Okay. Now when you click on this, you will see you can't do anything. Why? Because we did not have a registration, or we did not register this Terraform application on our Windows machine. So what we need to do next? We have to type here just like a event, not event. It should be a edit the system environment. Okay, go to the system environment variables, open it, click on the environment variables. Here you will see lots of variable already defined, which are, I think it's a default one. Let's see, we will define a path because this Terraform don't have any registry. So we will go here, click on the edit one and need to copy that C drive path from here to this location. Once you will done this and okay, okay, apply and okay. Once you will done this, go to your machine and is a PowerShell. Okay. Open the PowerShell. Okay. Now if I'm typing Terraform here, is it working? Because we have a Terraform on this machine. Okay. So now this Terraform installation is done. Thank you guys. Thanks. Thank you so much.